Tyler Forever Fan. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It is Saturday in Samoa, and we're installing some solar lights for the house on the land. So me and Tiava are bending some poles at the moment. I'll show you guys how we're doing it. Hope everyone's okay. Special shout out to our Inga members. Be sure to check out our samoanfarmer.com channel, guys. Website. But yeah, let's get straight into the episode. So we've got the straight poles here, and we're bending it so that we can put the lights on it. But what we're doing is, because we don't have a proper pole bending tool, we found a little hole here that we're just using to slide the pole in, and then we turn. And as we turn, the pole bends. I think this is about 1 inch thickness, and that's what we've been doing for these poles as well. So yeah, a very creative way to do it, but that's what you do when you're in Samoa and you don't have the resources, the proper resources to do things. So we're going to continue bending some poles, and then we'll move into the next steps. Have a cook walkies. Walk it. Look. Yeah. Cook walkies. Yeah, me look. Yeah, go me look in. So yeah, back here. So maybe the lengths aren't where we're bending it isn't consistent, but you know, as long as it's all bent, so that's enough. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna bend some final poles and then finish off soon. Alright, so we're just digging some holes now so that we can just make it deep enough that we can put the poles in and it's stable. Alright, so we've got our solar lights here. This is the part which faces the ground. This is the part which faces the sun. The pole goes through here, and then we've got a bracket here that actually tightens to the pole. So we're gonna do that now and just trial it and see how it goes. Alright, so we've just finished mounting the light. Now I'm just trying to check it for level. Alright, that looks good. Now we're going to pack it with rocks and then cement it later. Alright, so we've got I think we've got 3 for this line here, so 1 up there, 2 somewhere in the middle, 3 here. Not too happy we started a bit late because the sun's about to get hot. so this one's a bit harder because it's mostly rocks where we're at now, so there's hardly any soil, which is making it really difficult. Alright, so we're finally done. That's deep enough. We're going to go grab the lights.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to tighten up the bolts. Alright, we're done. Alright guys, so we've gone ahead and did two more. This is 1, 2, 3, fourth one. And then after that we'll move on to the other locations to add the more solar lights. It's past 12 now, so we're really exhausted, but still pushing through. We've got most of the family cleaning around as well. My wife and sister and her cousins and uncles also over there. You guys can see Uncle is painting the graves, so yeah. It's a pretty full-on day. Loy and the girls are inside the house, cleaning up the house. Me and Siava here on the solar lights. Alright guys, so O3 is done for the front road coming towards the house. We're gonna head, if you guys can see there, that's one on that end. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's it. Is it? Nope, that's not it. There we go. That's one, that's two, and that's three here. Alright. Alright, on to the next. We just finished digging the hole, so we didn't want to record that, but it's very hard at the bottom and we didn't get much depth on it, so we'll probably build, once we make the cement, we'll just build it a bit higher when we lay it. Right guys, so I think I forgot to record. We installed another 2 poles. See this one and that one on the far end there. And now we're going to install this one just in front of the house. Last 2 locations, it'll be here and then somewhere next to the side, just so that provides some light to the umkuka. This is a different kind of fat, not the lazy kind. That's good enough. Just having a bit of lunch before we start again. We've only got 1 more pole left, but then we also have to make up the cement. So yeah, just having lunch. It's up to 3 p.m. now. back to work. All right, last location right here. So this will add some lights to the back of the house and towards the last one, fam. So tired. All right, down on the last one. Fam, so we just finished the last pull and now we're on to getting the cement poured. All right, second one done. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait till it gets dark and then we'll check how we did today. Yeah.
La.
Yeah?
La la.
Ila lila.
La la. La la. La la. La la.
Alright guys, so we've got a bit of a problem. It's now dark. The sensors should have kicked on, but it's still dark. So I'm gonna have to work some magic with the remote and hopefully I can probably turn it on. Yeah. Fingers crossed. No, that's not working. Let's try again. Alright guys, it worked. So I'll show you guys what we did. Alright, so basically what we did was we had to use the load. So we had to manually switch on the lights. This was pretty difficult because it was so high up. So It was quite difficult to get it switched on, but we manually had to turn on the lights, you guys see in the back there. And we did that by using the low to press the on button on the lights. So yeah, as you can see, the road is now well lit. So I think it is a job well done from our end. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 in the back of the house, 5, 6. All in all, we did about 8 posts today. Not a bad effort.
Yeah. Oi.
Wow, yeah. Alright, so that's the first one there. And then the last one just down the end there. We can zoom in right there. So not this one was already there, but that one. And then we've got another one in front of the graves. You guys see there? I'm trying to get it. So yeah, that one directly onto the graves. Other one in the back of the house there. We'll have a walk there so you guys can see a better look. Alright, so this is the one at the back of the house. As you can see, we did this one so that it can light up the area for the umu. So it's very nice and bright. And then the other one on that end between the houses, which will go there now. And there we go. Bang on. So see, that's to light up the umu area that we usually do our Sunday cooking for. So yeah, very nice effort today. So that one, and that one there. See there? So yeah. And yeah guys, I'm really tired. I think I might crash now. It is going up to 10 p.m. now. It's been a long day, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the episode today. It's probably not a usual cup of tea. It's usually farm stuff, but also developments around the house. So wanted to show you guys that. If you've enjoyed today's, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.